Hey everyone, this is Joel Carricker, Trinity Roofing and Construction. We're at a property where we just completed the roof a couple of days ago, and now we're doing the final touches with the gutter systems. One of the things about the gutters, it can be done in a lot of wrong ways. And a lot of folks, they just flow these gutters on directly against the fascia soffit area, and where they really, these are 5/8 aluminum K-style gutters. These need to be cut underneath the drip edge. This protects the fascia, protects the soffit from premature deterioration with all the water flow coming from the roof. But if you ever need just a quote or estimate or wondering about the gutter system itself, just for better water management, give Trinity a call. We do all aspects of things. It's not just roofing or installer or just windows. Yeah, we do full gutter systems, commercial as well as residential. We would love to help you. And if I can ever be of assistance to you directly, give me a shout. Again, it's Joel, Trinity Roofing and Construction, 214-535-0888. And remember, we always have you covered.